Hey, I'm Alan Brito, I'm an architect, and today I have a tutorial about how to replace or what is the best option to replace the Follow Me tool from SketchUp into Blender. Does Blender have anything similar to the Follow Me? Let's take a look. I have this model here which has a profile. This is, of course, SketchUp. I have this profile here to create something like a gutter in this roof, and if you are not familiar with the Follow Me tool, you just need to draw a profile or a path under this over this roof, and if you select the edges, let me press and hold the shift key, and if you enable the Follow Me tool here and select your profile, SketchUp will create with a single click this object in the roof. No deformations, everything aligns. So the question is, can we do something like that in Blender? Let's take a look in Blender. Here we are in Blender, and I have that exact same model. By the way, I imported the SketchUp file directly to Blender. I have a tutorial here on the channel explaining step by step how to use this free add-on. Now, what is the first option, or what most people try to do here in Blender to replicate the Follow Me tool from SketchUp? It's to use curves with the bevel object. This is actually what I use in my books and workshops. By the way, links in the description. This works most of the time. For instance, you might have a profile like this and you want to make an extrude or create an object that will follow this path. But we have a problem here in this particular example because this roof here, it's on an angle. So one of the problems from using curves to try to replicate the Follow Me, it's because it will work much better with curves that are 2D. If you have a 3D curve, it will add extra deformations to the curves. As a result, in these corners here, you will have a lot of deformation. So to try to replicate or to try to fix this, I found a free add-on. By the way, if you take a look into many marketplaces that sell add-ons for Blender, you will find many paid options that will try to replicate or do the same thing that the Follow Me do. But in this case, this add-on here, let me bring it up, it will create or replicate exactly what the Follow Me do with mesh objects. You don't even have to convert anything into a curve. So this extrude along path, let me show you how it works. First thing, of course, you have to install the add-on, and to do that, if you are not familiar on how to install add-ons in Blender, you just have to open your edit preferences, and here under get extensions you can just type extrude along path, right, just like the name of the add-on that I have here. Hit the install button, and once you do this, it will create a new tab on your 3D viewport sidebar like this. And you have two modes to use this add-on. You have the simple mode and you have advanced mode. Since everyone here knows a lot about Blender, let's go with the advanced mode. So what do we have to do here? First, this object that I have here, it's not a curve, it's a mesh. And you need two things, of course, the profile, and you also need a path. So let me create a path. And by the way, one important thing, the profile and the path, they need, or you must create them as a single mesh object. So I will select the profile, go into edit mode. Let me select this vertex here. I will select just a single vertex. And let me enable my snapping for vertex. And I will extrude this here until it got to that point. Extrude it here and extrude it here. Now, I have to do two things before using this add-on. First is to mark the profile. You have to use these buttons here, this store. It will have to save or locate the path and the starting point. Let me select the edges. I will select this edge, and this edge. Hit store. It will save your path. Now I want to mark the starting point. And for the starting point, I want it to start here in this vertex. So I will press here the star button. And now we are ready to extrude. Select your edges, and I will invert my selection so we can grab only the profile. And if you press the extrude button, let me zoom out so you can take a better look. Extrude, and there it is. We just created the exact same object as if it was the follow me. And if you take a look here, no deformations, everything is in the right place. So this is it. This was a quick tutorial about how to use this extrude along path add-on, which works as if it was the SketchUp follow me tool. This is, in my opinion, the best option to replace follow me here in case you want to use something like or create any model based on a profile. That's it. I hope you liked this tutorial. And if you want to learn more about how to use Blender for architecture, I will leave links in the description for my workshop, Blender Precise 3D Modeling. It's available in Udemy. And also for my books, I have this book right here, Blender 5 Precise Modeling for Architecture, Engineering, and 3D Printing. Links in the description. It's available on Amazon, Google Play, on the Google Play Store, and Apple Books. It also has translations. So getting any of them will support my work here in Blender 3D Architect. Again, hope you liked this tutorial, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.